It's Kevin. Lit! Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. We're going to move this big section out into the water. We got Zig when you should have sagged over there. And I got a whole bunch of helpers showing up to help out. We got to get that big section and then all these timbers out in the agua. And then we'll start screwing things together. And then the last step will be putting the planks on top. An awesome crew. Look at that. They're already carrying the section. And then we're going to float it either on its own or possibly stick it on some kayaks. So yeah. Woo! Carrying it down to the Salton Sea. Woo! Hell yeah!
What a good boy. What a good boy. You're feeding them, huh?
Oh man, I've got bug spray if anybody needs it too, because we got the bombers. You think we want to do it on the left side or the right side?
Should we get the kayak?
When we install it, it's going to be on the left, but you know, carrying it out whatever way makes more sense.
Should I grab the kayak?
All right, listen. Let's hang it right. We're gonna go. Yeah, let's take it as close as we can to the.
And then we'll plan, and then I'll actually help out too. I just want to document this. Hell yeah! Woo! The old stick in the mud. We got an awesome crew out here. Got this thing out into position, and we got to get the pilings and fine tune it. Woo! Doing the pile driving.
I don't know what they're working on.
Hell yeah!
They were at the Henderson. Okay, I just heard drilling and stuff. Like, what are they doing in that building?
Yeah.
We're just gonna do the four corners right now, I guess.
Yeah.
Are we still tight? Good.
Yep.
Oh, kick it right there. Ready? I want that little bit of that. Right.
Number one question: how do we drive the piles in? This is how we do it. Manpower. Sweet.
Okay.
Out making some amazing progress on the LiT landing.
Yeah, if there's a big split, if the lumber has a big split,
in Bombay Beach.
You know, work it away from the split a
Woo!
little.
Woo! Getting there. Hell yeah! Look at that. We have just completed the LiT landing here in Bombay Beach. Hell yeah. Gonna get out of the sun, shower, eat, and then this evening I'll be putting some lighting out here. The next step will be to put some furniture, some chairs, whatnot. Yeah. This concludes the final day of construction of the LiT landing here in Bombay Beach. Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. Hell yeah. Be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons. Check this out. Hell yeah. Woo! It is the LiT landing. Thanks so much to everybody that helped, all the manual labor, and the generous donors that all made this possible. Here in Bombay Beach on the Salton Sea. Look at that. This was the old intersection. And now the new section. We're going to reinforce those sections where the kayaks are part of the dock to kind of make some wave blocks, but that might not get done until next month. Otherwise, there you have it.
I was free, but unfortunately couldn't even water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. Wish that I could water ski at Salton Sea. said definitely you should learn to water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. I'll teach you to water ski at Salton Sea. I took a few tender tumbles